Get ready for the next battle.
What's happening, team players? It's, I don't know, excuse the scissors. Excuse that. Big day today. Big day today. I'm with Standlord, aka Yash. Of course, it's got to be done. Tekken 8 is here.
The family heirloom.
Oh, yeah, in our family, this game goes way back, like to the original.
Before me.
He wasn't even on the planet. But yes, Tekken 8 is out, and in this box, I'm sure you can imagine, it's not just a standard version, it's the collector's one. Like, we've gone big with this. So, this is going to be the official unboxing of Tekken 8 Collector's Edition. So, me and Yash are going to get started, so we thought we'd start right from the jump. This is how it arrived. Even says Bandai Namco. Bandai Namco. Bandai
Namco.
Banco?
Bandai Namco.
Bandai Namco Europe. Even says it there. Legit. Proper. Right. I'm going to try not to cut myself, but I can't promise anything. Right. So we have the invoice. Don't even want to look at those numbers. That's just disgusting. Ooh, okay.
Oh yeah.
Literally, we open up and you just see that. That's pretty major. That is pretty major. So, we've got some magic trick as well. Woo! Oh my god, right, okay. Ready? Mm-hmm. No, I'll let you say that. Go. No, go. Don't say it. No. Go on. This is a photo. Oh my god. Sweet. Actually, no, that's a pretty decent size, that. That is a pretty decent size, that. PS5 edition, of course. Sick cover. Jin and Kazuya at the front. Of course. Main peeps of the game. That's pretty sick. Kazuya on the side. That's pretty sick. And then, yeah, that's pretty sick. That is pretty sick. So, that is that. What we're going to do now is I'll let you unseal it. You've been playing the game recently, haven't you? Yash is just going to explain a bit of the game.
Well, I mean, it's just Tekken normally, but there's obviously new mechanics. All the characters have been changed. There's this new thing called Heat Blast, where basically you can carry on combos, and you're given an extra combo, you do more damage. Rage are still the same. The game looks beautiful, as Tekken always does.
I have only played the demo myself, and I must admit, absolutely loved it. Absolutely loved it. So, I can't wait to actually play the full game. So, Yash is now going to unseal it. So, but yes, by the way, while he's doing that, thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure, of course, you subscribe to the channel, because there's going to be a lot more of this coming this year. Like I said, in my little short video I did at the start of the year, we're going to be doing more of the gaming side. Obviously, I've done quite a bit of car content in the last couple of years, but that box looks sick. So yes, please subscribe, like it, comment down there. If you've got the game, if you've played it, if you haven't got the game, if you're gonna get the game, if you're a Tekken fan, are you a Tekken guy? Are you a Street Fighter guy? Are you a Mortal Kombat guy? Because he's been a Mortal Kombat guy. Okay, right, come on. I know you've been, oh, it's a little sleeve thing. Okay, all right. Is it? Yeah, it is. Ooh, okay. Hence, obviously, the Kazuya thing on the, and then Jin on that side. Can you see that? If you can see that, then that's pretty sick. And then, of course, like I said, you've got the Jin and Kazuya cover on the front. Let's unbox it. Oh, don't you just love that smell? Mm. You know when you get a new game and you take the sealing off and you smell it? If you don't know what I'm on about, I think you lot are more weird if you don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Because you have to get that.
You have to know. It's like getting a new book or something.
Exactly.
Yeah.
When you open the pages. Okay. So we have Ultimate Edition, which is coming in a cardboard sort of sleeve, and then you've got the game actually in there. So that. Really cool. Love that. If you want to take the next bit out, what we got?
We've got the steel case.
Ooh.
Gin on one side, Kazuya on the other.
Okay, that's pretty sick. Colours look really good on it. That's cool. So if you didn't want to keep it in the sleeve or in the normal sort of game case, you've got a steelbook case to pop it in. So we have that. So we remove that layer. This is what takes up. Oh wait, hang on. What's that? We have. If I can take it out. We have some cards, collectible cards. So there's got certain players in there. It's not got all of them because there's only a few cards in there. There's all the characters. Is that all the characters? Okay, there's all the characters in here. I only thought there was only. Okay, alright. He knows it more than me. You know, see what I mean? Right, we'll open that in a sec. And then
The main event.
Which is the gym figure. Which, I'm not going to lie, that looks sick. That actually looks sick. I can't lie, that looks sick. So we've got the cardboard sleeve with the actual game in it, with the Ultimate Edition. You've got a steelbook case if you wanted to put it in there. So you've got Jin on that side, you've got Kazuya on that side. Looks so cool. Obviously the blue, the red looks cool. You've got the collectible cards as well. Just a little preview. You've got Jin just there. We'll open that in a second. And then you've of course got the figure, which you've got the devil wing. So basically when he does his rage art, I'm sure you lot must have seen it in this trailer. And if you've played the demo, of course, you do his rage art. He clenches his fist. One of the wings come up. Oh my God, it's just so sick. Okay, so it was, but now it's down over there. Collectible coin.
It's just a little coin of Heihachi and Kazuya fighting on one side.
You know, R.I.P. Heihachi.
Rest in peace.
Absolutely, R.I.P. If you played the story mode of Tekken 7 and played the end.
And then the King of the Iron Fist tournament on the other side.
That's pretty sick. That is pretty sick. So of course you can see why this is the collector's edition, is because you know you get all of this included in there. All of this sort of stuff that if you followed the Tekken story, yeah, it's. You can open it if you want. Yeah, do you know what? Why not? Why not? So in the meantime, I'm going to pop this on. Does it even go that way? It does go that way. There we go. Whoa. Okay. So what's in there? A ring. A ring. This is a ring. So if you can see, you've got that. Which is, it's got a bit of weight to that actually. It's not light. That's pretty cool. So I thought I'd just go through the cards very quickly. They're not all of them, as we kind of sort of said, but we have like characters like Ling Xiaoyu. On there, it tells you their fighting styles, the rage arts, the heat smash, which is what Yash was saying is new to the game, and the alias of that character as well. So Dancing Phoenix for Ling Xiaoyu. Okay, so that one's that. You've got Claudio, who returns from Tekken 7. So there was quite a few people I used to see on the Tekken World Tour that would use Claudio, but not a lot. But Asuka, of course, from Tekken 5, and is still with us. Wicked character, Kazama style as well. Nina Williams, legend. Been since day one. So yes, it's got her details there. Lars Alexanderson, well, Tekken 6, my guy. He's so sick, so sick. Love that character. well, returning character, Jin Kazama. Well, this was a surprise, but it's a good surprise. It's a good surprise. A lot of people were well happy to see her back.
Also my mortal enemy, but we'll move on.
What, in the time that you've been playing it? There you go. See, he's already got...
No, Tekken 6.
I'm in Tekken 6.
Do you not remember Tekken 6?
Well, what happened in Tekken 6?
When we played the story mode together.
Oh, yeah, he used to like playing against it. Fair enough. And then, of course, the two main ones. Kazuya, who is just out for world domination in this game. And to be fair, he just looks so good. The character is just so cool. He's the main bad guy now. And then it's turned to Jin Kazama to actually try and to get this back to stop Kazuya.
The greatest Japanese gaming main character.
Absolutely. Is he?
He is.
Would you guys agree with that? Jin Kazama is the greatest Japanese... What?
Gaming main character.
Gaming main character. Comment down below. Make sure you actually let me know if you agree with Yash on that or not. But yes, those were the cards. So I thought I'd just run through it with you. They're really, really nice actually. They're like sort of laminated as well, so they've got that glossy look to them. Definitely going to be sort of like a collector's thing. And on the back of each one, you've got the Tekken 8 sort of on there as well. With the chain, that broken chain into the 8 is so sick, so cool. But as you can see, that is, should we just pop that there? Let's pop that there. But that is that's the collector's edition for Tekken 8. If I'm right in saying, I don't think Tekken has ever had a collector's edition. I don't think they have. But for their first one, it looks pretty sick. Would you agree? Are you going to get it? I mean, how much of a Tekken fan are you? Do you even need to be a fan to get a collector's edition?
I think so.
Huh?
For 250 quid, I hope so.
I mean, yeah, that is true. That's a lot of money, isn't it? It is a lot of money. It was actually a little bit more than that. But yes, you do get all of this. And of course, for all you main Tekken players out there, it is definitely going to be something for you to keep and hold of for a very, very, very long time. So that is everything. Thank you very much for joining us. Obviously, we've had Yash join me, who's behind the camera now. So thank you very much, Yash, for that. Yes, like I said, I am going to be doing a lot more gaming content this year. I'm also going to be streaming on Twitch a bit more as well. So I will leave the links down below in the description for my Twitch profile, Instagram. Of course, I always sort of post up there of what is going on and all the rest of it, so let me know. But yes, make sure, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment as well. Let me know what you think of the collector's edition. Are you getting Tekken 8? Have you already got it? Or are you a bit like, nah, give it a miss, or just wait for it a little bit? But yes, do let me know. And of course, any other ideas or any other content you want me to do, again, comment down below, message me on Instagram. It's completely up to you. Do whatever you want, but I want to be more sort of involved, and I want to be speaking to a lot of people now. But yes, thank you very much for joining. That is Tekken 8. I'm going to install it now, and I can't wait to play it, and we're going to stream it. So thank you very much, and for now, we'll catch you on the next one.